Welcome to the Page Builder 4 basic introduction video. Just want to welcome you here today and just start by saying that this video is posted on YouTube. In the past, some of our users have had difficulty viewing the screens. If you do have this problem, please use the link on the right hand side of this video. It will take you to an external website and you'll be able to play it from there in high definition. May help you see the screen a bit easier. If you're really having trouble, please drop us an email and we can email you a copy of this, so it's just up to you. Right, let's get started. Once you've logged in successfully, this is the project management area that you will see. It basically has 5 individual project areas, so this means that you can have 5 different projects on the go at once, and none of them will interfere with each other. For example, some people might have project 1 as their business website, project 2 as a personal website, and project 3 as either a hobby or a friend's website, but really they can be anything you want. It's entirely up to you. Today we're going to use the project 1 area. So to do this, just simply move the mouse onto project 1, click the left mouse button, and it will take you in. Right, from here you can see you've got many different options. We've got the page builder option on the left hand side, which is where you'll build your site. We'll come to that in a minute. You've got your FTP upload. Now this is designed that once you've built your website, you can upload it to wherever your domain name is hosted, the details of which can be acquired from the person that's hosting it, or drop us once again an email and we'll help you out. Moving along, you've got the project area. We'll just visit this quickly, pop into the project area, and as you can see we have a number of add-on packages that are free to install. It's entirely up to you. We do recommend it only for advanced users though, so once you're confident with the product, you understand the basic workings, then come through and add on extra little bits and pieces. They're all basic install wizards, so you just click install, it does the installation, sets up a link in the page builder area for you, and you're away. It's very simple, and you can't corrupt anything, wreck anything. You don't need to know about coding, installation on servers and all that sort of thing. It's all automatic. As you can see, we go down here, we've got some basic templates. If you need some inspiration on building a website, pop down here, install one of them, just read the descriptions, they're all pretty self-explanatory. And then we've got other external options for separate products you can install. A big one that a lot of users get to is the e-commerce area, where you can set up basic PayPal payments, you can build a shopping cart, a checkout area, a registration screen, and once again add Google Analytics to your website. These are all something for advanced users, but if you choose or wish to get into them, drop one of our help desk support guys an email and they'll either contact you by phone or by email and they can talk you through it. They're pretty helpful. Right, let's pop back up the top of the page, and as I said before, you've got the page builder button on the left hand side. This is where you're going to build your page, so simply left click on that, it'll bring you into the initial screen. Now if you're using Internet Explorer like I am today, use the Internet Explorer option. If you're using something like Mac or Firefox, Netscape browser, Linux, anything like that, make sure that you select the second option. This is usually automatic and will be done by your browser once you log in. The next option that we have here is the frames option or pop-up. Always use frames, don't use pop-ups. A lot of our even advanced customers have had trouble with pop-ups, with windows disappearing behind other windows and them not being able to see it. So always use frames. It keeps it all in the same area and a lot easier to navigate. I recommend personally always keep it on the advanced option. If you want to put it on beginner option you can, but you'll probably handicap yourself, so always leave it on advanced option. This option gives you the option to have PHP or HTML. There's really no difference unless you're doing database work, and then you have to use PHP. Otherwise it's 6 or 1/2 a dozen the other. It's entirely up to you. So once that's all set up, just pop over to the sign in button and you'll log in. Now the initial page you'll get just gives you some basic information about the page builder site, how to move items, how to make them bigger, how to make them smaller, dragging, dropping, but we'll cover this in a few minutes. So once you've read that and you're happy with it, click on the start here, click here to start button, in you go, and you'll see you've got your blank canvas to start off with. Now the two main options that you'll be using to begin with are the text and the image buttons. The text one adds text, images adds images. So we'll just click on the text button and as you can see, it's put some text on the screen for us. Now all you need to do is move your mouse cursor over the text, hold the left mouse button down and move the text around, and as you can see, you're free to move it wherever you need to. Now this is great because conventional web design programs require you to either build a table or they require you to insert div tags, and this can all be a little bit tricky if you're a beginner. So it's nice and easy, just wherever you drag and drop it is where it's going to stay. If you want to edit the text, there's two ways to do it. You can either right click on it and go to edit, and it'll allow you to edit the text as you wish. Once you're ready, click save and apply. It'll update it. The other option is you can actually double click on it, and once again you're free to set that however you want. If you need to change the sizing, simply move the mouse over the top, hold the shift button down on your keyboard and the left mouse button and drag the mouse backwards and forwards, and as you can see, the text sizing area changes. This is useful when you're building big paragraphs and you want them to fit around certain things or in a certain area. It's nice and easy to drag and drop it backwards and forwards. Right, the second major part is the images, or adding images. Simply click on the image button at the top. It'll take you into the area for images. Now you have two options here. You can either upload your own image or you can get an image from the library. The library images are easy to add. Simply select the image you want, click add, and it pops on the website. Move the mouse over it and you can drag that image wherever you wish. You can add as many as you want, just like that. You can add that there, and you're really just free to move that around. Now if you want to change the background image or you want to add a picture, just simply move up to includes, click on it, and you can, as you can see here, it's got background color, it's got white. You can change it to black, blue, purple, pink, green, whatever you need. If you know the hex code, you can actually put in a hex code of a color and it will give you a specific color, or you can add in a background image just by simply adding the background image location here, and it will go out and find it and add it to your website for you. So that's nice and easy. Now once you've got your website looking the way you want it, simply hit the save to save it on the system and the preview button, and it will preview your website for you just like that. So it's nice and simple. Just hit the back button and you'll go back to your project area. This pretty well concludes our demonstration here. In other videos we'll cover adding new scripts, navigating between scripts. It's all fairly basic, all fairly self-explanatory, but we will cover them in other videos. So if you need help with that, just check out our video library and find the rest of the videos. Once you've finished here, you can exit out, and yeah, you're done. If you're ready to upload, you can just hit the upload button and it will send your website straight up to your domain name so people can view it live on the web straight away. It's a fairly easy project. Anyway, any questions, check out the rest of our video library. Hope you liked our brief demonstration and look forward to speaking to you soon. Have a great day.